introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm no good on the camera.
Okay, I'll interview you. Okay. Hi, Chris. This is Chris.
No, you do it. You do your
Well,
thing. I'd be terrible at it.
Well, you already did it. That's Chris. Chris is from the D mill down the road from us, and Chris helped make this instrument. You probably did what, 80% of it? Do you think? I mean, really, how much did I do, and how much did you do? Really?
I mean, probably 70-30 maybe.
Yeah.
I'd screw it up and you'd fix it.
Yeah, but I mean, this is for Chris's mom, and it was a Christmas present that we almost finished for Christmas, and now it's done here. But it's a tenor, Redwood top. Chris, this is your Redwood top that you saved off the beach in, where was the beach again?
Yeah, Pacific City.
You can come in the frame a little bit. Yeah, Pacific City. Okay, so this is the one where you tried to chainsaw it and the cops came and you got in trouble. And
yep, right? Sheriff arrived and told me that somebody called the cops, and was a really nice guy actually. Just told me to finish what I was cutting and load up the truck and get out of there.
Okay, and we also did Redwood for the neck. It's a 5-piece Redwood neck with 2 little walnut stripes down the middle, right? Looks really cool. And then this walnut's from your mill too, but this is the stuff that somebody dropped off that they didn't want, right?
Yeah, somebody had a whole mess of that stuff on their property that they had milled and incorrectly dried so that it all kind of twisted. So we had to cut it all up into short pieces that couldn't be used for much else other than maybe cutting boards and stuff. And there was a bunch of beautiful stock that would work really well for instruments.
Yeah. So I took home like a pallet of this stuff pretty much. And yeah, because it was a little twisted when we milled it, we lost a lot of wood. But it's got that cool sapwood stripe in it. So we used it for fretboard, head plate. We used it for the binding, and we used it for back and sides too. It's kind of a little curly, but mostly it's that stripe that's rad, right?
Yeah.
And then a little rope rosette, walnut bridge, low G.
It's got good colors, but not a lot of figure or anything.
Yeah. It's pretty good for free wood. Yeah, so how long did we work on this? 5 months? 6 months?
Something like that.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Here and there.
It is number 780. Chris signed the inside too. That is the only bean sprout instrument ever made with somebody but me.
Really?
First one out of that many, but it was
fun. I feel honored.
Yeah, it was cool. So off to Chris's mom for a Christmas/Easter present. Cool.
Better
Cheers.
late than never.